Hi everybody, it's Sam Shakespeare coming to you from the Trader House Global Trading Room in Malibu. I just see a nice little setup starting to work itself out here on Euro Dollar. And, we've got new highs. The Euro Yen I really like uh, because of, this big movement, and Dollar Yen's moved up. We got Yen weakness. But you got to enter at your boxes. So on the vanilla trade, you got to enter at your boxes. So there's basically there's no real entry except for the euro dollar, which is sitting here at its 1 minute boxes. Euro is definitely strong. We can tell by euro yen. Euro yen is also fighting with a 1 minute slow car at 112.26. Let's see here. Let's take a look at this euro yen 1 minute chart and see it's on a tear. You see the L1 is acting as nice support, moving up into higher highs. So this thing is moving up. This continues, could really drag euro dollar to the upside. We are having a little issue right here at some highs, but we'll monitor this and see how it goes, and we might be able to enter something on euro dollar if this takes off. Again, we can't enter here on euro yen because the L1, which is this green line, is just too far away. So that price could snap back at any moment. Let's just go ahead and throw this euro yen chart over here for just a second. So euro dollar is at its 1 minute boxes, it's really looking very perky. I mean, I really could consider getting into an entry here. Just give it a second. See, euro yen is really starting to shoot up now. I do want to be careful because I want to make sure euro dollar can continue to make higher highs or at least maintain this low. You see the L2, which is the burgundy line on the euro dollar 1 minute. The euro dollar 1 minute chart, by the way, is just tucked behind this dollar yen. My mouse is actually on the fritz here. There's the dollar yen grid. Right behind that on the top is the euro dollar chart. You see the 128.94 number on the chart. You can see the price is at 128.88. So this is a vanilla setup. The 1 minute box on euro dollar grid. You see the 1 minute box. The price is now at turning that 1 minute box red, and there's the lower 1 minute box that's green. That is like the head of the snake. And if you want to know what the head of the snake means, watch the first tutorial on forexmalibu.com, grid intro. The second tutorial shows you the L1 and L2. But the first one talks about the body of the snake. And the 1 minute boxes are the head of the snake. The 5 minute boxes, in other words, the two green boxes in the 5 minute column of euro dollar down near the bottom at 65 and 67. Those are the 5 minute boxes. It's like the neck. The 15 and 60 minute boxes you don't see on the screen right now. That's the rest of the body. So in this case, the head of the snake, if you will, is leading up. The move up. That's what you want to see. That means the momentum is up. And it's holding the lows here, which is the low is below this second 1 minute box here at 85. Now, if euro yen maintains over, and just look at the euro yen grid. I'm sorry about my mouse here not totally working, but I will show you what I mean here. The euro yen 1 minute is above its slow car at 28. The dollar yen is below its slow car at 16. Okay, if dollar yen stays under and euro yen stays over, euro dollar will shoot up. Okay, so it looks like we're getting some behavior there. We're not getting into too much of new lows. Euro yen is holding above its 28 slow car. All right, this is starting to look good. All right, now euro yen's starting to move up. Let's go long here. I'm going to buy here at 89. Okay, long euro dollar at 89. Okay, I see that euro yen is holding above its slow car at 26, now moving higher. And dollar yen is staying relatively under its 16. So if dollar yen can hold at 16 or under, and euro yen can shoot up, euro dollar is bound to shoot up with it, and we have to take euro dollar because euro dollar is the only one that's at its boxes right now, which is the 1 minute box. So again, I'm long at 89 on euro dollar. All right, what I want to see now from my sidecars is euro yen move higher. That would be euro strength. And I'd like dollar yen to either stay put or move lower. And that would be dollar weakness. So euro yen moving up would be euro strength. Dollar yen moving down would be dollar weakness. That is the perfect storm for euro dollar. So we'll see if we can get some follow through here. Our 1 minute boxes on euro dollar is holding nicely. So we'll see if we can't get a move. I see euro yen continuing to climb up while dollar yen is staying still. If this continues, then euro dollar is going to have no choice but to move up. All right, we're just sitting here about a break-even area, and I see euro yen. If it breaks into the 40s and higher, you see euro yen's got clear roads on all 4 times frame above. So if that moves up those roads, then euro dollar is going to move up its roads, and we've got a first 3-column level at 29.04. Okay, but if that gets broken, there's clear roads above. Who knows how high we can go with this? So again, we're long at 89. Got about 6 pips, 7 pips on the move. There we go. Now we're starting to get. Now we're here at our first 3 column. We got to watch this. All right. If it breaks through, great. If not, notice dollar yen is staying under its slow car at 17, and euro yen is moving up. This is what we want to see for euro dollar. Okay. We look at the 1 minute euro dollar chart. We're into new highs. Okay. We're in new highs. We can feel good about that. If the chart's making new highs, it's more than likely going to continue to make new highs. Here we go. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. All right. There's 30. Here's our first target here. This slow car at 31. Let's see if we can hit that. If we can hit that, we will take profit. And look at euro yen here. At this 3 column at 77. It probably won't get much higher than that. In fact, that's an actual trade from 70 short. A blue to white entry, we call that. If you've got 20 pips or more back to your 1 minute box, which we don't even see the 1 minute boxes on the euro yen grid, that could be a short entry on euro yen. And here we come up to our target. Let's see, let's get out here at 26. All right, I'm out at 26 for 27 pips. Very good. It did hit the 31. I wasn't quick enough to get it. But wow, this euro yen is looking really good for a short, and as euro dollar turns over here and dollar yen can't get any higher, euro yen's got to pull short with a 3 column roadblock. You know what? I just got to do it short at 71 on euro yen right now. This is a blue to white. I'm going to put a tight stop on this. In fact, as soon as I can, we're going to put a break-even stop on this. All right, here we go. There we go. My stop is at break-even now. We're going to protect this. We're just going to not have any risk. We've just made 26 on euro dollar, so we don't want to risk any of that. We entered here at 71 on euro yen, which we are up about 6 or 7 now. So this is a 3 column, very strong resistance here at 77. So this is working out to be pretty good. Now, as long as euro dollar falls like it is doing, it bounced right off its target at 32, then we should get some movement down. Good. Dollar yen still can't get over its 18. All right, that's good. That's going to help the yen strengthen from here. If it can't get any weaker against dollar yen at 18, that's good. If euro yen also, and if euro dollar moves lower, that's euro weakness. So dollar yen moving down is yen strength. That helps euro yen. Euro dollar moving down is euro weakness. That helps euro yen. All right, so we're up about 10 here. A few minutes. Like I said, we got a break-even stop. And as long as euro dollar here is coming down, then, you know, that'll drag euro yen down. So until we see euro dollar here come down and hit some lower levels, then euro yen should not break above 72. And we are up about 15 or so. All right, sell price is at 50. All right, buys at 53. Sets 18. All right, let's get out of here. 84 plus 17. All right, exit euro yen at 84. I'm sorry, 54. Exit at 54 plus 17. And all right, that was a good example of a vanilla off the 1 minute for euro dollar and a blue to white off a 3 column roadblock with more than 20 pips back to the 1 minute box. We probably could have taken this all the way down, but 26 plus 17, 43 pips, not bad for, was it even 10 minutes of trading?